Hey guys, what's up? Mike190. It's Mike190. Wow, that was bad. Anyways, I'm making this video to, actually in response to a comment on one of my videos. It was a mob tower video, and someone was asking me how to create the bottom level of my mob tower. Well, I created a new world just for this purpose, and I hacked in some stuff so I can now show you guys what to do. Alright, so first off, we're going to need to make a 23 by 23 square. Alright, so I'm going to fast forward while I do this. Alright, hey guys, I'm back. Contrary to what I said before, I just decided to build the square and take out all the dirt and whatnot off camera, because that would take a long time to do. And fast forward. Alright, so now we have a 23 by 23 grid. You may want to make sure that all your floor is replaced with some sort of solid material like cobblestone or smooth stone, but I would probably go with cobblestone if you want to replace the dirt and sand and whatnot. Alright, so first off, we need to make the inner square. So go to one of your corners and count 1, 2, 3, and put a block at the 4th diagonal square. See, 1, 2, 3. And from there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a second here. Give me dry chicken. There we go. Alright, back to building the cube. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4. I figured this would be faster, so I can just put everything in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And now we can fill in that. Whoops. Alright, hold tight guys. I'm gonna fill all this in off camera. Okie doke. Now that we have our initial mob tower shape, we can get on with the trenches. So go to your corners and count from the first block right here where I'm pointing at. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And place 3 blocks like so on the 9th block. And we'll repeat the same for the other sides. 1, 2. This is essential because water flows 8 blocks. And oops, I didn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we want the water to stop at the very edge. So we want it to flow the full 8 blocks. Okie doke. Alright, so I just gotta. Oops. There we go. That was kind of pointless because I got water flow right there. But anyways, now because this is the ground level and we're not exactly putting in water for the trenches, we have to do like so. First, make sure I got my borders in. So you want to make a shape like this. Take your buckets of water and place them like this. So once again, give me a second. Let's see. Alright. So once again to review, put the first bucket in the very corner, and then put the next bucket right there. And the water will flow like this. Now we gotta go get some more water. Oh, make sure we gotta fill in the border so we don't get overflow or water going everywhere. Same thing actually. There we go. And we'll fix the water in a little bit. Just gotta fill in the corners. Oopsie. Might as well fill in this side as well. There we go. And one last side. Although I can go over here for some water. Speaking of water, I can go for some water myself. I'm thirsty. But I'll wait for that. And go on, get in there. Okay, and ta-da. Now let's see how. Now I gotta figure this out. Lava is basically placed on these blocks. So we'll put like so. And lava flows, I think 3, so on the 4th block, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna need some signs, so hold tight, guys. And we're back. Alright, so I had to check on something to make sure I was doing this right. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, wait, 2, 3, 4. You know what? I think I screwed up a second time. I think I got it this time though. Alright. Okay, there we go. That's how you do it. 2, 3, 4. Just a little reminder for myself. Alright, so let me just fix the other side and I will explain what I am doing. Alright, so as you can see, the water stops there. It pushes the mobs into these signs, supposedly, but the lava will be coming down this way, which I will put down. There we go. Now it should stop just above the water. Great. So in the middle block, the 9th block of each canal, you will put the lava like so. And the lava flows 3 blocks, but together there's 4 blocks. Make sure that your water is going into the signs. The signs are, I think, on the blocks on the 3rd. So 1, 2, 3. This is where the blocks stand. The lava flows over the signs. So give me a second to fill up the other sides and I will be back. Okay, I left the last one blank just to touch up on how to do this. So once you're at, your 3 block long 9th block, hold on, go away, pig. Alright, so once you're there, go to the, this block, go 2, wait, I'm sorry, 2, 3, 4. The 4th block is where you make your trench. And once that's out of the way, you add 2 more, columns or rows or whatever. So go 1, 2, trench. Plain and simple. Alright. Now we add the signs. And we're going to need more, so I'm going to have to pause of it again shortly. Oopsie. No, dang it. Come here. There we go. Alright. Hold tight. What's going on here? There we go. Okie doke. Now that your water and signs are in place, go ahead and pull out your lava. And go to the middle block, or middle row, and place. Now it should run off the edge and do like so. So now we have completed the base of the tower. So basically, to explain, once you make your tower, you know, your walls, and then add a roof, because you'll need a roof, you can't have any light coming in. The mobs will typically fall down, and if the block doesn't kill them, they get pushed off into the lava, which reminds me of our next point. To make sure that spiders or any of the mobs cannot jump, you'll want to do this. So, let's... like so. Alright. So now our lava is covered up, and the roof will be the third block. That's how I do it. So imagine that this is the roof. Oops, this is the roof of the first floor. So we have 2 blocks to play around in. So the next floor will typically start on this, although the third floor. Wait, let's see. Yeah, the third, on top of the third is where the trenches will usually be. The fourth is where you you add another layer, which is a fourth, and that's like where the mobs spawn. Anyways, let's get rid of this. I was reminded of something else that I wanted to show you, but I'm trying to remember what it was. What was it? What was it? Oh yes, this is the collection point, or the collection part. So, what I do is I go to each of the drop points. I typically go about 2 or 3 down. Do I have any water? I do. Maybe make it one more. Let's go ahead and add an infinite. Anyways, so put a water stream like this, and see the items will come down here and drop into the water. And now we gotta go for the other side. So go to see where your water drops. So it's in this block. Go down about 2, I think it was. And place your other water. And about here, dig over, and the water should meet, like so. And once it meets, you can go ahead and start making your way to the center of your platform. Although, seeing as the water stops here, you might want to take advantage of water flow and delete that block right there, and the water will continue to flow like this. Keep going. Alright. Let's go ahead and do one more other side so I can show you guys where the drop point will be for your items. Oh geez, that was pretty lengthy. Alright. Gotta get some water. Maybe I can get it here? Nope. Gotta go over here and get it. Oops. Okie doke. Now where did I? Eep, that was close. So the water. Okay, that side. Look, sandstone. I hope this is the right height. Alright. Up we go. Come over here. Yeah, it's the right block, of course. Whoopsie. Hold tight. I'm gonna skip to daytime. Okay, now it's daytime. Let's go back to where we were. Okay, I think I see an issue with my the outer what's it called? Area. Alright. So we are over here. There we go, the water met. Ooh, that's not good. Apparently, the water was not low enough. So, okay, there we go. I had to fix something with the water flow and it was messing it up. Okay, notice how the water here is still. That is where your items will collect. And this is also where we dig down. But for a good reason. Oh, I don't want to do that. And that's not a big deal anyways. I'm not going to be in this world much longer. Alright. So either on the first or the second block of the hole, put a sign. And the water will stop there. So your items will be free to drop down continually. And so you want to do the same thing for the other sides. You know, they'll meet and conjoin together. Now for review, let's go look at the measurements for the drop points. Remember to delete that block right there. That's very important. Although you may be able to do it without it in a certain way. Alright, so the signs are... Hold on. Did I screw something up here? Huh. Okay, I guess I'm fine. Anyways. Come on, get over there. So, the signs are 1, 2, 3 blocks above the water level. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, this 4 is where the block lays. So the water goes there, and you'll see that there's a raised edge right there. That means typically there's an empty space in the corner. So the water will come over and flow into the middle. What's over here? Same thing over here. Wait a second. 1, 2. Hold on. Alright, sorry for the pause, guys. I got confused. Alright, so now that we basically have 2 sides done, you guys know what to do, more or less. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below, and I will try to answer them as best I can.